वो बुर्ज खलीफा है और वहाँ पे कहीं है हम जो ले रहे हैं।
Tunnels. We know how to add, facilitate good quality,
हाँ
and of course,
the view।
the one and only Burj Khalifa.
हाँ
It's
ऐसा।
directly view.
कैसा लगा आपको? फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन कैसा है?
अच्छा है।
बहुत अच्छा है ना। हमारा घर तो जो है तैयार हो गया है, जो कि हमने अभी हैंड ओवर के लिए सून जाना है। इसके अलावा हमने सोचा कि हम कोई नई इन्वेस्टमेंट करें दुबई में, और इसी सिलसिले में हम मुख्तलिफ एजेंट्स के साथ, मुख्तलिफ कंपनियों के साथ नए नए अपार्टमेंट्स देखने गए और नए प्रोजेक्ट देखने गए। तो ये कंपनी थी जो कि हमें बाद इन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट बताए, जो कि इनमें से बाद जो थे जो बन चुके हैं और बाद जो हैं बाद में बनेंगे। ये वीडियो असल में उन लोगों के लिए जो इंटरेस्टेड हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए दुबई में प्रॉपर्टी में। इसमें आपको एक आइडिया होगा कि यहाँ के घर कैसे होते हैं, अपार्टमेंट्स कैसे होते हैं, यहाँ के एजेंट्स किस तरीके से आपसे मीटिंग करते हैं और आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं जब वो घर बने। क्योंकि जब हमने यहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट का सोचा था तो हमें इस किस्म का कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि कैसा होता है। यहाँ पे थोड़े से आपको रूल्स भी बताए जाएंगे इस वीडियो में, और साथ ही आप जो है देख सकते हैं घर कैसा होगा और इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड होंगी। ये वैसे वेरी करता है प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट, लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं क्वालिटी क्या है और किस तरीके से होगा उनकी जो कि लेआउट है अपार्टमेंट्स का वो कैसा है। और बाज़ एरिया भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे अगर आप किसी स्पेसिफिक एरिया में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, जैसे जुमेरा हो गया या GBL हो गया या मरीना या बिजनेस पे या डाउनटाउन। ये अपार्टमेंट वो हैं जो कि इनमें से कई जो हैं वो ऑफ प्लान हैं और कई जो हैं ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड हैं, यानी कि वो रेडी टू मूव इन है। इनमें से कई अपार्टमेंट जो हैं वो रेडी टू मूव इन है, उनमें आप देख सकते हैं बास जो हैं फर्निश्ड हैं, बास फर्निश्ड नहीं है, और बास जो हैं project offline. It's not that high, so the view.
It's not tower. No, it's not tower. All the GBT is like that, so they cannot not allowed to go like for towers.
Okay.
Like townhouse.
Yeah.
You have the park here.
Sorry?
Park.
Yeah, this is the park. Okay. So with the rooftop. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ स्विमिंग पूल भी है, तो ये लॉबी और पार्किंग का एरिया होगा यहाँ पे बाद में।
See how it's a huge
Yeah.
space, so it will be not crowded.
Yeah.
G+5, so this is the one.
Okay, kitchen and the oven, and you have a microwave as well. What is this? Oh, it's just a cupboard. Yeah. And you have, do you have dishwasher as well? Yes.
Yeah. Everything
Okay.
we will have. And here we are talking about the quality, in terms of quality. It's very, very good.
Yeah, the quality is very good. But this one is furnished. It's just for
No, it's just show apartment.
show apartment.
But
Yeah.
the layout will be the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the size of the living room is quite good.
It's this one. It's more than 900. It's 930 square feet.
So the view from the
Uh,
this
there is
would be the view.
park view. No, we don't have any more. This view.
Okay.
Everything.
So there's a mall right.
It's just beside the building.
Okay.
I will show you the.
What's it called? It's a big mall or a small?
It's for the community
Okay,
mall.
community,
You cannot. It's not Dubai mall.
No, okay.
But it's a good one. That you have the supermarket, you have every shops, everything. Here the guest bathroom.
Guest bathroom, yeah. Okay. It looks good. Oh, the master bedroom is quite big.
Plus, it will save the size. You have more space,
Yeah.
and it will not cost you more for the furniture.
Yeah.
So you have it already.
So this is ventilation up there and air conditioning.
Air condition, yes.
Yeah, okay. So the balcony is huge all the way to the living.
Yes, all the apartment has the same balcony. Yes.
So this is the other bathroom with the shower. So these are the tiles all the way in both in kitchen. So ये वर्षा एरिया और यहाँ पे जो है इनका ऑफिस है.
The games area where we can play with the local residencies. At the front of the building we have a state-of-the-art fitness center, which is approximately 3,000 square foot. Well, again, as I mentioned, it's on the outskirts of JVC in terms of connectivity, location, and what do you call it, privacy. All the past buildings that have been built and handed over have been handed over on time or before time. Okay, these are very popular and famous in Dubai, the Polo residences. That one was handed over in April 16, July 17, September 19, April 22. We currently have this again in Dallas, Texas. Okay, and of course this is up and coming, the residence in JVC, handed on the other side.
Okay, so these are one bedroom apartments.
Let's say it's a U-shaped, because I want you to understand the size, because a lot of people will be like, okay, the model is very small. Like, it's a model.
But so you have the corner apartments on both sides? Or
Yes. These ones are quite smaller than the ones, but obviously I'm going to show you, and then these ones are flat. It depends.
Two on each side?
Yeah, because of different floor plates, because the higher we go, the bigger. So we've got 12 and then 6, because we've got the 3 bedroom to accommodate. Okay. As you can see, it's very high quality doors. We've got a keyless entry with password, okay, or pass key. So in case for your short-term rental, you do not come to physically give your key, you just send them the password and change it after the leave.
But is it a smart house?
Yes, I'm coming to that next. So here will be your powder room or your guest bed bathroom. So this will be an open living style kitchen, living and diner. Yeah, you've got a center island, you've got your living and diner space. As I mentioned, this was approximately 990 square foot. This is the quality that you're exactly going to get in the apartment. The kitchen is fully integrated with white good appliances. So everything as you see in the kitchen will come with candy, oven, gas oven. You've got your
refrigerator,
you've got your fridge, freezer, your microwave. Behind you here we have the integrated wash machine dryer, 2-in-1. Okay.
Dishwasher.
However, we do not provide the dishwasher, but you get the space for it.
Okay.
Okay. Because in terms of doing like marketing analysis and speaking to a lot of people, dishwasher is not highly desired at the moment.
Okay.
Everybody has different cultures, but the space is for it there. Okay. So the apartments, as I mentioned, they come fully integrated with white good appliances, and they also come with home smart system Alexa. Alexa, play some music.
Here's Spotify.
So it's like just like Google Home kind of thing. Okay.
And you connect it. So again, from an investment point of view, it makes it as much as hands-off investment as possible. Again, with a keyless entry. Then you have a walk-in wardrobe style.
Oh. Okay. Something.
It's very big.
Yeah, you have.
So once you close the door, you have like a walk-in wardrobe style before your bathroom, which is quite neat and quite
It's
soft close.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah, very soft close.
You can try it, huh?
Yeah, the dampers at the end.
Yeah.
If your family is sleeping, your partner is sleeping, it's a soft close.
Yeah.
If you just go to the bedroom, and I'm going to illustrate it just here. As you can see, it's an L shape, but obviously it's flipped.
Yeah.
So you've got your bedroom, you've got your balcony all the way around to the kitchen as we were over there.
Yeah. It's a good size.
It's a very good size, of course. Hence why we're 70%. So I do apologize, the light is not
And this one is also controlled by Alexia or
You
Alexia?
can connect it. Hence why everything's touch screen. Your AC is touch screen, and that's why we're giving you the option which is added. Okay, you get Alexa. There is other additional feature to it, but of course the basic marble grey glaze finish, swell tiles. This is most of the shower and the bathrooms. This one is the entrance lobby and corridors in terms of the building. This will be the apartment kitchen areas. Okay, as I mentioned, it's a porcelain 20mm thickness backsplash.
It's porcelain.
Yes. This is a laminated cabinet, glossy finish.
If you drop something on it, will you get some scratches or?
Very high quality and mostly used because it's absorbent to shock in terms of, because you can see it's like if you drop something on it, it won't chip. From our side street, 5 minutes, you'll be in Burj Khalifa and the boulevard. The downtown views are that way. Simulators. Just here we have a co-working business center, which we can work from home, so any tenants can work from home with the team. Here we have a private resident cinema that sits around 20 people. Okay. Here we have a squash court with amphitheater style seating. So if you don't play squash, you can watch them play games. Down here we have a resort style decking. You have a kids pool underneath the building. We have a circuit pool and we have a leisure pool.
All this is free of charge for
Part of the
residents.
service charge, The service charge on this one is 16 dirhams per square foot.
Okay.
So this is a leisure pool, and beside the leisure pool we have a juice bar. Similar to Catch, we have a juice bar there, This one will offer a daily juices to clients or residents that will come at the pool. Just behind the juice bar we have an atrium. The purpose of the atrium is there just to kind of let in light and air, and of course it's a design feature. Just besides that we have an upper deck of generous outdoor seating that come with 2 barbecue areas with private seating. As I mentioned, this is your front main door to the building. Here will be your concierge and valet. We have valet in the building, so if you've got guests, you've got valet. We've got 2 ramps, we've got actually 3 ramps, 2 ramps that way, servicing the guests and the valet and residents. But for valet exits, we have a strategic ramp besides the entrance for quick service.
Okay. So ये उसकी तरह होगा हमारे भी. Okay.
So this is why I want to bring you here. Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yes, it is. So USB 2 or 3 actually. Very good. Behind me.
जी ये 2 बेडरूम है. एक ये वाला 2 बेडरूम कैसा लगा सीधा?
बड़ा है ना?
हाँ और इसमें तो ये वेव्स है. हाँ.
Building, and this is already suites.
Okay.
So this area is for this concept. It's like a holiday home, like a hotel concept. A reception, concierge service. Luxury actually reception for your guests. This is for the tenants, and here we have a service maintenance. So in case someone is moving, now here the luxury starts. Here is the changing room and sauna and the gym.
Okay.
And this is something available in all hotels, changing rooms. So this is not normal toilet. This is a changing room, showers and sauna. This is for men. And the other part is for ladies. Now here what makes our project special. And this is what makes the opportunity for you as investors. All visitors to Dubai, they are worried about prime locations. I want to be close to Dubai Mall. I want to be close to Burj Khalifa. Iconic places in Dubai. This is what makes.
This is jacuzzi or? Okay.
Now this is the surprise. This is Burj Khalifa. So in the new year, no need to go to downtown. You can have coffee on your apartment and you are straight to Burj Khalifa. And even though if Burj Khalifa is not there, you have very nice iconic building, J1. This is the project that we have exclusivity, 100 units, leasing it as holiday home. And we are applying the same concept on our other project.
Oh,
Those are villas.
oh yeah.
Tenanted
Floating villas.
Yeah, floating villas. And on after the palm trees,
Yeah.
this is the marina. So from here,
Ah.
it's 5 minutes just walking. This is, by the way, an RTA. This is for Dubai transportation.
Okay.
So you can just go there waiting, and you can just take the like a water cab, water taxi,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
can just move around Dubai Creek.
Aha.
All right. This is the studio.
Studio.
Firefighting doors, German brand. And here, if you can see, this is a closet.
Oh.
Here we have electricity connectivity, same like hotel type.
Yeah.
Here, washing machine,
Oh yeah, it's plenty of washing.
washing machine stuff,
Oh.
and here for storage.
Uh-huh.
All right. Another speciality about this project, it's built-in wardrobe in order to save space, because if you fancy.
Wow.
Let's go. Little bit to the right, little bit to the left, sorry, and you'll see Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa as well.
It's there. From your end, we have launched 50 apartments. We have launched because we don't release everything
No.
together. Around 38 has been sold out already.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not a commercial area.
So luxury villas there
This
and
is all villas. So here
Yes.
you have the villas view, and you have Maidan Mall view,
Maidan Mall.
Hamadurra, because it's an L shape.
Yeah, okay, so you have the
It's
view all
an
the way.
L-shaped window, sorry, balcony that you can just sit and enjoy.
This
the
is
view.
the best view. What would be the price of this one?
When we launched the project,
Yeah.
you will be surprised. We used to sell for 1.6 and
Oh.
1.7, but now the minimum is around 2.4, 2.6.
Oh.
This
तो ये कैसा लगा? ये